My name is Gagori. I teach at Athene Healing School at Agonda Beach. 4 weeks Ayurveda massage course is not just a massage course, but it's also about diet, lifestyle, nutrition, finding out one's constitution, which is called Prakruti, finding out what is the imbalances in the body, that is called Vikruti. The aim of the course is to change people's diet and lifestyle and also suggest therapies, mostly looking within. When you can change yourself from within, you can change other people's lives. We first start our day with a morning yoga class. That is not just any yoga, it's called Nadi Prana Yoga. Nadi Prana Yoga is inclusive of meditation, it is inclusive of yoga postures. It is very, very slow movements, and after each posture that we do or the exercise that we do, we sit and we notice what is going on inside the body and mind. In the beginning, people feel that there's a lot of pain in the body, but the concept behind the yoga is that pain is only a concept. So when you directly deal with your pain, because we are taught that pain is bad, so we should run away from it or push it away. But instead of pushing it away, if you face it, deal with it, then it makes a difference in your body, your posture, rather than saying that positive is good or happiness is good. Embracing the negative side of you or the sadness, or these will always be there. So going through the pain, understanding the pain, makes people feel that it is also one part that is they have been avoiding. So this yoga goes deeper inside, which we call it Journey Within. In the morning session, we have a theory class which has talking about what is Ayurveda, what does Ayurveda include, what is aim of Ayurveda. Then we get into what the outside universe, the Pancha Mahabhuta, that is the 5 elements which the outside universe is built, and that's how our body is also built. So how it affects us, how the environment is interacting with us, and then how we live our lifestyle and what causes the imbalance. We also talk about psychological problems when we have our lifestyle, when we get stressed out. Now, stress is a very big word. So when we break down the word stress, we get into psychological details like people going through frustration, impatience, anger, jealousy. So looking at all of that and how it causes imbalance. Like I always say to my students, that body is showing signs. Are we listening? So body, before falling really, really ill, it shows us signs. So we really don't look at those signs. So we learn to look at those signs to change our diet, our lifestyle. So that is in the theory part. Then in the afternoons, we have the practical session, which is the Ayurvedic therapies. The 4 weeks Ayurveda course is about hands-on experience, where you learn every day to give massage or therapies, Ayurvedic therapies to each other. It's like going on a retreat for yourself, because apart from learning, you are receiving. So it's like an exchange work. You're giving and receiving. So you feel and experience what it will feel when you give to your actual clients. So experiencing what is going on inside of you. We start the course with head massage, then face massage, then we get to full body Abhyanga. Then we learn to make herbal bags, which is called Kidi. And there are different types of herbal bags that you learn to make during the course. And then we do local treatments. The local treatments are like on the lower back, on the upper back, on the knee, inside the eyes. So learning about how it will help and heal people. And at the end of the course, we have Shirodhara, which is Shiro meaning head and Dhara is the continuous flow. So Shirodhara is basically treating the mind. 5,000 years ago, when mind was restless or stressed or going through some kind of mental or psychological problem, then people did Shirodhara just to calm the mind or anything that was stored inside to bring it out. So during the Shirodhara, people come up with a lot of emotions, people start to cry, people feel a blockage in their throat, what they have not spoken. So that's what comes out during the course. And at the end of the course, what people say that they have transformed their life, they are really going to apply it mostly in their lives. That's what people come to the Athene School for, is to transform their lives, to change and to see what they can do and not be stuck in what is going on in their life right now.